Hey there, are you ready to take your gadget business to the next level? Whether you're selling phone charging docks, wireless earbuds, or smart home devices, Instagram ads can help you reach thousands of potential customers with just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to run Instagram ads step by step, no fluff, just actionable tips. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to create high converting ads that drive real sales. The first thing you need to know is that Instagram ads aren't managed directly on Instagram. They're handled through Meta Business Suite. This is where you can manage all your business activity across Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram from one place. Why does this matter? Because Instagram is now part of Meta, formerly Facebook, and Meta Business Suite gives you access to advanced tools like audience targeting, analytics, and ad creation. To get started, head over to business.facebook.com. Click Log In with your Facebook account, then enter the email and password for your business account. If you don't have a business account, you can create one for free. Once you're in, click Get Started. Then link your Instagram account to your Facebook page so you can manage both platforms seamlessly. After setting up your Meta Business Suite, the next step is to link your Instagram account. Here's how. Go to Settings in the left-hand menu. Click on your Facebook page. Under Connect Assets, click Connect Instagram Accounts. A pop-up will appear. Log into your Instagram account. Once linked, your Instagram account will appear under your business assets. This allows you to run ads directly from Meta Business Suite without switching between apps. Managing everything from one dashboard saves time and keeps things organized. Alright, now that your Instagram and Facebook are linked, the next step is to set up your ad account. This is super important because without an ad account, you won't be able to run any ads. Let me show you exactly how to do it. On the left-hand side menu, click on Ads Account under the Account section. Click Add, create a new ad account or add an existing account. If you are creating a new account, add your payment method to activate the account. Fill in the necessary details. And you are done. Pro tip, start small. Set a daily budget of $5 to $10 to test your ads before scaling up. For example, if you're promoting a phone charging dock, a small initial investment lets you see which creatives and audiences perform best. The next step is choosing your campaign objective. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Meta offers several options. Awareness, boost visibility among a broad audience. Traffic, drive users to your website or landing page. Engagement, encourage interactions like likes, comments, and shares. Leads, collect contact information from potential customers. App promotion, increase app installs and engagement. Sales, drive purchases and track conversions. For our phone charging dock, let's focus on engagement to build interest and drive direct messages. Alternatively, if you're selling online, you could choose traffic to send users to your website or conversions to track sales. One of the biggest advantages of Instagram ads is precise targeting. Here's how to build your audience for a phone charging dock. 1. Location, focus on countries or regions where your target customers live. For example, urban areas in the US, Canada, or Europe. Age and gender, target tech-savvy individuals aged 25 to 45 who are likely to invest in gadgets. Interests include interests like smartphones, productivity tools, or even specific brands like Apple or Samsung. Behaviors. Target people who shop online frequently or engage with tech-related content. For instance, if you're selling a portable charging dock, target busy professionals who value convenience and style. You can also retarget users who visited your website or interacted with your Instagram profile. Your ad creative is what grabs attention. Here's how to make it stand out for your phone charging dock. Choose the right format. For image ads, show a high-quality photo of the dock in use, like someone charging their phone at a coffee shop. For video ads, create a short video showcasing features like its compact design and compatibility with multiple devices. For stories ads, use full-screen vertical ads with bold text such as "Charge smarter, live better." For reels ads, jump on trending audio and showcase the dock in a fun, relatable way. Write compelling copy, keep captions short and action-oriented. For example, tired of messy cables? Meet the ultimate phone charging dock, sleek, compact, and built for busy pros. Tap to shop now. Use emojis sparingly and include a clear CTA like shop now or learn more. Use high-quality visuals, invest in professional photography or design tools like Canva. Avoid blurry images or cluttered designs. Next, decide how much you're willing to spend. Instagram offers flexible budgeting options that allow you to control your ad expenses and experiment to find what works best for your campaign. Daily budget, start small, $5 to $10 per day, to test your ads and gather initial performance data. This approach helps you minimize risk while figuring out what resonates with your audience. You can always adjust the amount later based on what you learn. Lifetime budget, allocate a total amount for the entire campaign duration. This option is great if you have a fixed budget and want to spread it across several weeks or months. It also helps you avoid overspending while keeping your campaign active for the desired time frame. For example, if you're promoting a phone charging dock, starting with $10 a day allows you to test different ad creatives and targeting options without a huge upfront investment. As you gather valuable data on what works best, you can confidently scale up profitable campaigns to maximize returns. Additionally, setting a schedule is crucial. Choose whether your ad runs continuously or during specific dates. For instance, if you're promoting a holiday sale, limit the campaign to the weeks leading up to the event to capture peak interest and drive timely purchases. Once everything is set, review your ad and hit publish. But your job doesn't end there. Monitoring performance is key to success. Track metrics. Focus on metrics like click-through rate CTR, cost per click CPC, and return on ad spend ROAS. Optimize mid-campaign. If certain ads aren't performing, tweak visuals, copy, or targeting. Cut underperforming ads. Pause ads that waste budget without results. For example, if your video ad showcasing the dock's portability gets more clicks than a static image, allocate more budget to videos. When you find a winning ad, it's time to scale up and amplify your success. Increase budget. Gradually raise your spending to reach a larger audience. Scaling slowly helps you maintain control over performance and avoid sudden drops in efficiency. Expand audience. Once you've found a high-performing audience segment, test broader or lookalike audiences while keeping your core demographics intact. Test new creatives. Even winning ads can suffer from fatigue over time. Refresh your visuals, try new headlines, or experiment with different calls to action to keep your campaigns fresh and engaging. For our phone charging dock, if ads targeting tech enthusiasts perform well, consider expanding to related niches like gamers or travelers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.